Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Top Chef channel. Today we're going to make cream of mushroom soup. Okay, so for our cream of mushroom soup, of course we need some mushrooms, one small onion. Celery is optional. I like it because it gives a nice flavor to it. Then we have fresh cream, then our vegetable bouillon paste, and some cloves of garlic. Now all these weights and measures are at the description box below. Okay, so for the start of this, for our cream of mushroom soup, what we need to do is take a stick of butter. I'll usually like butter and olive oil combination because of course butter renders everything so tasty. Okay, so now our pan is really hot, and to this I'm going to add my onions, and as usual just sweat it for 1 minute. Okay, so we sweated this thing. As you can see, our onions is a little bit cut bigger because at the end of the thing we are going to puree it. So let it sweat nicely. To this I'm going to add my celery and my garlic. And just now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep it closed and cook it and sweat it for about 2 minutes or so. But watch it, it should not get brown, really brown. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. So we just opened it, and so now our garlic has browned really good. And to this now I'm going to add my mushrooms to it. Okay, so mushrooms, yes, they are 1 pound of mushrooms. They will all become so small, so just put it all well into it, saute it for about 2 minutes or so. Let it move around. It will all shrivel up and become less. The water in the mushrooms will render a good flavor to this broth, and that's what we want. That's why we are sauteing this right at this level, okay? Okay, so now it is 5 minutes since we put it on high heat, and I kind of moved this around. So this process is called sweating of the mushrooms. So to this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add our water and the stock which I made, which is basically vegetable bouillon added in water. So I'm going to add this and let this cook for about 10 minutes. So we are going to add 4 cups of water to this. So there's more water will go into this. And let this simmer for about 10 minutes or so. Okay guys, so this has been this has been cooking for about 20 minutes or so. The reason we cook it for so long so that the mushrooms can be pureed pretty well, because if you don't let it cook, the mushrooms will be kind of not mashed up, it'll be kind of chunky. So now we're just going to cool it down and then puree it with a handheld puree mixer. Okay guys, so now we pureed this thing really fine and put it through a soup strainer, and you can see it is kind of velvety. And to this I'm going to add some cream. Now if you don't want it very rich, you can add some milk also, but I like it creamy and well, so you got to put some nice cream into this and bring it to a nice boil. And all you do is just add some pepper to this thing because our bouillon already has enough salt into it, right? So we don't want to add too much salt. And so to this, I'm going to add some pepper, bring it to a boil, and we are ready to have this soup ready. Okay guys, so now this has come to a simmer after adding the cream. All I'm gonna do is, with this flavoring, just add a little pepper to it. Pepper is always according to your taste. I like it a little peppery. Now if you want it less pepper, then you can put less pepper in it. But better thing is to have white pepper. Now we can't find white pepper in the stores. Okay, so now I'm gonna just turn this off and mix this really good. Smells, the aroma coming from this soup is amazing. So let's portion this out. Okay, so now you can add sauteed mushrooms on top, and so here's some sauteed mushrooms, and we'll just put it here with some croutons, and of course to give it some green you can always add some parsley or this scallions like this. Voila, this is our cream of mushroom soup. This is an amazing recipe. You gotta try it. Okay guys, so we're gonna taste our cream of mushroom soup. Taste this. Wow, it just goes straight. It's really nice flavor because of the bella mushrooms that we use. Now if you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!